แล้วน้ำกินสิคืออะไรนั่นบองเบเอาทันเลี้ยงนะบองบีพุ่นเตแล้วกันหุยตัว
Welcome back to Cornwall Center. We're helping keep you safe with increased safety measures and operational effectiveness. Directional arrows and other signage has been installed to help you maintain safe social distancing. Thank you for helping to keep our community safe by adhering to these protocols. If you need any assistance, please visit guest services desk on the lower level.
Like this, it was kind of like this, not really, and you would hear it like kind of in it, and you would have like a black suit on. It would look kind of look good and like.
No.
Well, I'm gonna go find some jeans. Peace. So pretty. Mama, can we buy that? No. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that roll.
What are you gonna do with that? You're not even. You're gonna like.